able to watch all of the, you know, the young people that are obviously really, really confident with it, it's definitely giving the younger kids that are here just the motivation to at least want to try.
Yeah, like some never did it before, so it's cool to like give them first go in it, and then you see straight away how quickly they pick something up, and then how they really start enjoying it. Maybe starting a little bit scared, but then after a couple of minutes, they straight away feel a lot more confident of doing it, and you see the progress so quickly. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see that.
Dwi'n cofio'r exposure oedd wedi cael lambastio gen yr ffilm Kids, nath Larry Clark wneud yn 1995. Ac wrth gwrs oedd yr is-ddiwylliant sglefyddion gael ei weld fatha rhywbeth drwg a antisocial, felly maen nhw'n ei graffiti hefyd, delinquents. Ond mae o'n ffordd i gadw plant yn heini, cael nhw tu allan. Mae o'n drafnidiaeth fydd nhw gario ar ei cefna. So yn rhywbeth cymunedol, yn dim ond gret. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n rhywbeth wedi ei hangu. Dwi'n meddwl siŵr iddo fo gael ei feithrin ymhellach.
Well, what's good about things like this is a lot of people come together, and that's what's good about skateboarding, is that it brings lots of people from lots of different backgrounds, lots of different ages. It brings them together, so you get an intergenerational, autonomous play space.
I started skating just as a means of transport. I used to go down to lectures, and me and my friends used to skate down. It was just the quickest way to get to lectures, and it was nice in the mornings. And then I started finding about the culture of it, and I got really into it. I started learning tricks and stuff, and I had a really good time. Started going around meeting new people skating, and it sort of brought me into it. And before I knew it, I was a part of it all. But we mean no one any harm. We don't want to get in people's way. We don't want to piss people off, because if they're pissed off, they're not going to let us skate. We just want to go about our business. We just want to skate.
I think it's so important because, especially in the Bangor community, especially for the university, skate's been the one sport that has been integrating with the community the most. I think it just illustrates to all other sports clubs around the university, this is what we're looking for here, and it shows that the majority of the people that are here right now are a part of the local community. So it really encourages that, and it gets everyone involved.
Be sy'n gret ydy, mae bron gyd o sglefrydwyr lleol a just dros lle bynnag. Mae rhan fwyaf nhw'n creadigol mewn un ffordd neu'r llall, yn tynnu lluniau neu'n dyluniau neu be bynnag. Mewn ffordd mae o yn un o'r chwaraeon, ond hefyd mae o'n celf, a mae hynny'n wych, oherwydd mae o'n gadael i pobl datblygu llais ar wahân i popeth a o fewn cymuned.
And anywhere you go in the world, if you go to a skate park, you've automatically got a family or a very good community, because you've got someone, people that you can have something in common with straight away. And another part of it is you could be 3 years old or you could be 50 years old, and you both can be trying exactly the same trick, which that personally is, and also from different backgrounds. You could be a millionaire or someone just off the street, and they can still have something in common, which is absolutely lovely. I love that part about skating as well.